Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful Irish stitch. It's very easy to make. You can use this stitch for many things. Okay, you can use for summer project or winter project or home decor, many things. If you prefer the written instruction, it's available on our blog at knitcrawladdict.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And yeah, let's get started. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna use Shipji Stonewatch XL and a 5mm crochet hook. You can use any hook and any yarn you prefer. First, we're gonna make slip knot. Use any method you prefer to make a slip knot. For the Irish stitch, it's in a multiple of 4 plus 3 chains. You're gonna make a group of 4 chain, 4 chain, 4 chain, 4 chain, 4 chains until you're happy with the width or the length. And at the end, you're gonna add 3 more chain. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna make 19 chains. So, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, and 19. Row 1, we're gonna skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then into the next chain, which is the 5th chain from the hook, we're gonna make a Irish stitch. So we're gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet, all into the same chain. So all that will count as one Irish stitch. Okay, so I yarn over my hook. I insert the hook into that 5th chain from the hook. Then yarn over hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, that is a double crochet. I forget to tell you, the chain that we skip, the 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and then the 1 chain there count as 1 chain stitch. Okay, so into the same stitch here that we just make double crochet, we're gonna make a double crochet into the same chain, and then make chain 1, and then make 2 more double crochet into the same chain stitch. Okay, so see, we have 2 double crochet, we have chain 1, and we have 2 double crochet all into the same chain stitch, and all that count as 1 Irish stitch. Okay, next we're gonna skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then into the next chain we're gonna make the Irish stitch. So we're gonna make 2 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet into the same chain, and we're gonna repeat. We're gonna skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain we're gonna make Irish stitch. So we start with 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochet into the same chain, repeat, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain we're gonna make Irish stitch. We start with 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochet into the same stitch, same chain stitch. Okay, so if you have more chains, you're just gonna keep repeating this pattern. You're gonna skip 3 chains, and then into the next chain you're gonna make Irish stitch, which is 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet all into the same chain. Alright, you're gonna keep repeating that pattern, and at the end you should have 2 chain left. So I have 2 chain left here. I'm gonna skip the next chain and then make 1 double crochet into the last chain. Here's what it looks like at the end of row 1, and I have 4 Irish stitches. For row 2, we chain 3, count as 1 double crochet and then turn. For now, it's gonna be pretty easy. We're gonna make Irish stitch into each chain 1 space across. See this chain 1 space? We're gonna make Irish stitch. So we start with 2 double crochet and then chain 1 and 2 more double crochet into the same space. And then next space here, make Irish stitch. We start with 2 double crochet, then chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Repeat. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet into the same space. And then repeat. I have my last space here. I'm gonna make my last Irish stitch. Alright, so at the end, remember we skipped 4 chains at the beginning of row 1. Into that 4th chain right there, we're gonna make 1 double crochet to end the row. Right here. Here's what it looks like at the end of row 2. In row 3, we chain 3 and turn the first 3 chains. Always count as 1 double crochet. Then into each chain 1 space, we're gonna make Irish stitch. Again, we start with 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet all into the same space. Okay, next space here, do the same. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Next space here, make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet. Next space here, which is last space, do the same. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Very easy pattern. Okay, we're gonna end the row with 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain, the turning chain right here. That's it. From now on, you're gonna repeat row 3 over and over. It's very easy to make and very pretty stitch as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm pretty sure you know how to make this stitch already, but I want to show you anyways. Maybe some of you guys don't know how to make this stitch yet. And yeah, please comment below if this stitch is new to you, or comment below if you know this stitch already and what you use this stitch for. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.